This video guide will help you to remove the ransomware that is called Mxpww. This particular ransomware encrypts all popular file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, video files, and other data. Before the ransomware actually attacks the files, customers can open them without any complications. But it might suddenly happen that because of the certain vulnerabilities in the system, this Mxpww ransomware may be injected into the computer. Then pretty soon people realize that something bad has happened with their files and that they cannot access their data anymore. So, unfortunately, these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. The ransomware gives this scary message mentioning that your network has been breached and all your data were encrypted. The ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom to recover the files that have been damaged by the ransomware. And when you look at the files, you may clearly see that this special Mxpww extension has been added to them. But on the other hand, paying the ransom does not guarantee that your files would be restored. So we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom, because you may simply lose your money for nothing. First thing we recommend you to do is to go to the task manager of your computer. Look for suspicious processes that could be running in the background. If you find them, right-click on them and terminate these processes, at least to save some of the files from being encrypted. To remove the ransomware completely, I recommend that you scan your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green button to download Combo Cleaner antivirus. Download the program, install it, and start checking your system with its help. After the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program will begin scanning your computer and will then give you the summary of threats that were revealed during the scanning. Combo Cleaner works very well at detecting and deleting the majority of ransomware type threats. Its premium version has got the anti-ransomware tool that can help you add one or several folders on your computer that will be protected against ransomware attacks in the future. So after the scanning is completed, you'll see the information about threats, the data about their location on your system. We strongly recommend you to remove these threats automatically with Combo Cleaner Premium version.